Yes, but why do hiccups crash our plans, popping up at the worst moments and turning a simple breath into a tiny slapstick? Experts say it's a temporary misfiring of the diaphragm triggered by sudden temperature changes, excitement, or even carbonated drinks. Most disappear in minutes, but people try tricks like holding breath, sipping water, or slow exhalations to reset the reflex. The puzzle isn't just biology. It hints at an ancient reflex that once helped protect the airway. Now, mostly a quirky nuisance. Next time a hiccup attack starts, stay calm, try a quick trick, and marvel at our odd breathing biology.